Hey everyone, I'm David Richard from Weekly Tools, and I'm here to help you make an informed decision about these two scanners. Both the Ancel VD700 and VD500 are powerful tools that allow you to diagnose and troubleshoot problems in your vehicle's onboard systems. Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video for you as we dive into the world of automotive diagnostics. We'll be reviewing and comparing two popular OBD2 scanners, the Ancel VD700 and the VD500. So, if you're wondering which scanner is the right fit for you. First up, we have the Ancel VD700. This scanner is specifically designed for Volkswagen and Audi vehicles and offers a wide range of features. It has a large color display that provides a clear and intuitive user interface. The VD700 can read and clear trouble codes from various systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. It also supports advanced functions like oil service reset, EPB reset, and SAS calibration. One standout feature of the VD700 is its ability to perform adaptations and basic settings on supported systems. This can be especially helpful if you're looking to customize certain aspects of your vehicle's performance. The scanner also offers free lifetime software updates. Now, let's move on to the Ancel VD500. This scanner is also designed for Volkswagen and Audi vehicles but comes at a more affordable price point. Despite its lower cost, the VD500 still packs a punch in terms of functionality. It can read and clear trouble codes, display live data streams, and perform basic diagnostic functions for engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. While the VD500 may not have as many advanced features as its counterpart, it is still a reliable tool for everyday diagnostics. The compact design and user-friendly interface make it a great option for deers and car enthusiasts who don't require extensive system adaptations. Ultimately, the choice between the Ancel VD700 and VD500 depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a Volkswagen or Audi owner looking for extensive diagnostic capabilities and advanced features, the VD700 is worth considering. However, if you're on a tighter budget and require a reliable tool for basic diagnostics, the VD500 is a great option. Finally, our review and comparison of the Ancel VD700 and VD500. Both scanners are excellent choices, catering to different needs and budgets. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. Remember to do your research and consider your specific requirements before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below.